Imagine you're standing on a noisy factory floor in Detroit early 2000s. Machines hum, workers dart, orders pile up, and yet products fly out the door with precision. How did they master this chaos? Steven Nahmias spills the secrets of turning messy operations into smooth-running engines. But here's the kicker, it's not magic or luck. It's cold, hard analysis, the kind that anyone can learn, ready to unlock the science behind making it all click. First up, Nahmias dives into the heart of production systems where raw materials transform into goods and services. But it's not just about machines. It's about understanding the flow and quirks underneath that dance of efficiency. Take Henry Ford's Highland Park plant in 1913. Nahmias details how switching from handcrafted cars to the moving assembly line chopped build times from 12 hours to just 90 minutes. This leap isn't just history trivia, it's the blueprint for how system design can explode productivity by breaking jobs into precise steps. Nahmias compares a factory to a complicated highway system. Like traffic lights and lanes managing cars, production uses queuing theory to prevent jams and bottlenecks. Imagine a bottleneck as a single lane on a busy freeway where cars pile up. Control it, and the entire system breathes easier and moves faster. The payoff, Nahmias shows that optimizing production flow can cut operational costs by up to 30%. It's not just saving pennies, it's reshaping entire industries. You realize these models aren't abstract math, they're practical, profit-shaping tools that transform chaos into order almost overnight. Inventory, stockpiles of goods waiting to be sold or used, is a double-edged sword. Too much means waste, too little means missed sales. Nahmias peels back the curtain on how you can tame this beast with elegant math and real-world savvy. Nahmias tells the story of Toyota's revolutionary just-in-time (JIT) system developed in the 1970s. Instead of hoarding stock, Toyota synchronized supply and demand tightly, receiving parts right before they're needed. This drastically lowered storage costs and waste, proving that smaller inventories can boost agility instead of risk. Imagine your fridge stocked with just the right amount of food. If you buy too much, food spoils; too little, you starve. Nahmias uses this familiar image to explain economic order quantity (EOQ), a formula that finds the sweet spot between ordering too often and storing excess. It's everyday logic mathematically mastered. The unexpected bonus. By balancing ordering and holding costs, companies free up cash tied in inventory. Nahmias highlights firms who slashed inventory by 20–40%, discovering that smart inventory management can rescue both money and operational flexibility. Operations aren't just about speed and cost, quality and flexibility are the secret sauce for lasting success. Nahmias unpacks how companies keep standards razor-sharp while adapting on the fly. Motorola's Six Sigma quality program, highlighted by Nahmias, cut defects to mere parts per million. This data-driven mercy tour of mistakes wasn't about perfection obsession, but about relentless process improvement with measurable impact, slashing recalls and boosting reputation overnight. Flexibility in production is like a jazz band jamming. You need a framework but also room to improvise. Nahmias illustrates how flexible manufacturing systems respond smoothly to shifting customer demands, reducing downtime and sparking innovation instead of chaos. The real magic, companies mastering quality and flexibility turn breakdowns into breakthroughs. When a supply chain glitch hits, Nahmias shows how adaptable firms reroute and recover fast. This mindset shifts operations from fragile to fierce, a game changer in uncertain markets. Remember that noisy Detroit factory floor? Nahmias showed us it's not chaos but a finely tuned system built with smart analysis, clever math, and relentless improvement. You don't need a multi-million-dollar plant to use these tools. Start simple, map your own workflows or track your inventory and daily tasks. Try this, spot one bottleneck tomorrow and brainstorm how to smooth it out. Trust me, your inner operations genius will thank you. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.